oil prices have soared to the highest level since July 2008 after the US said it was discussing a potential ban on Russian supplies with other countries. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, rose to above $139 a barrel, before easing to around $130. Energy markets have been rocked in recent days over supply fears triggered by the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Consumers are already feeling the impact of higher energy costs as fuel prices and household bills jump. Stock markets in Asia fell on Monday, with Japan's Nikkei closing down by almost 3%. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong trading 3.6% lower. On Sunday, the U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said the Biden administration and its allies were discussing a ban on Russian oil supplies. Later, U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi said the chamber was exploring legislation to ban the import of Russian oil and that Congress this week intended to enact $10 billion of aid for Ukraine in response to Russia's military invasion. The House is currently exploring strong legislation that will further isolate Russia from the global economy, Ms. Pelosi said in a letter. The comments came as pressure grows on the White House and other Western nations to take tougher action against Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine. A Russian oil embargo would be a major escalation in the response to the invasion of Ukraine and would potentially have a major impact on the global economy. While the US might just push through a ban on Russian oil imports, Europe can ill afford to do the same. More worryingly, Putin, with his back to the wall, could turn off gas supplies to Europe, cutting off the continent's energy lifeline. Vandana Hari at oil markets analysis firm Vanda Insights told the BBC, fuel prices. Consumers around the world have seen costs jump in recent days as they feel the impact of rising wholesale energy prices. On Sunday, the American Automobile Association said that U.S. petrol prices at the pump jumped by 11% over the past week to the highest level since July 2008. The cost of petrol and diesel in the UK has soared, and now averages 153p and 157p a litre respectively. But James Spencer, managing director of fuel delivery firm Portland Fuel, said bad news had kept coming, and prices were set to rise even higher. Even if we can get extra supplies onto the market, nothing will happen quickly, he told the BBC's Today program. I'm afraid we are going to see prices in excess of £1.70, £1.75 a litre. He said that, to a certain extent, individual car drivers have options to cut their use by driving less. But businesses that have no alternatives were really starting to feel the squeeze, Mr. Spencer said. Meanwhile, a jump in the price of gas amid the Ukraine conflict has added to worries that annual average UK household energy bills could reach £3,000. In recent days, the cost of gas in Europe and the UK has hit record levels as fears persist that Russian supplies could be reduced. On Sunday, energy giant Shell defended its decision to purchase Russian crude oil despite the invasion of Ukraine. The company said in a statement that the decision to purchase the fuel at a discounted price was difficult. It confirmed that it had bought a cargo of Russian crude oil on Friday but it had no alternative. Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba hit out at the energy company. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and keep update. Like our Facebook page. Follow us. Stay with us.